Create a new document with this details. From File menu, click on Place Embedded. Double-click on Image to add. Go to Select menu, choose Subject. Click on Layer Mask icon. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Decrease red slider accordingly. Convert image to Smart Object. Adjust image size accordingly. Go to File menu. Click on Place Embedded. Double-click on your image. Adjust image size accordingly. Change blend mode to screen. Add a layer mask. Choose a soft round brush. Make sure foreground color is black, and paint to hide unwanted areas.